Meghalaya Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra today held an interaction on various central government projects in West Jaintia Hills District in the presence of Additional Deputy Commissioner P.K. Boro and SP B.D. Marak along with district officials in the meeting. The governor discussed about the implementation of various schemes and encouraged the district heads to ensure that the schemes reach all the beneficiaries. He also discussed the overall situation in West Jaintia Hills District and the progress made in terms of development over the years. Additional Deputy Commissioner thanked the Governor for his support and guidance in ensuring that these development schemes are properly implemented.
To know as to what all developmental projects you have in your district and what is your achievement department-wise. You see, aim is not to come and have tea or not to come and have formal introduction. All that I want to know is that all of us, me, you, all of us, we are working for the people of our district. And I have taken oath and you have also taken a pledge that we will work for the welfare of our people.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President